All right, her music is not only captivating and enjoyable, but also has a message which aims to empower, inspire, and teach self-confidence.
Yes, get ready to be inspired and be sure to look out for her Music with a Message show for your student. Let's welcome singer Caley Rose.
Hi, thank you so
How are
much.
you?
How are you? Thank you for having me.
No, we're happy to have you. Do you have any upcoming music releases? Because I know you're always making music and you've actually topped the charts.
Oh, yeah. Yeah, thank you. Tomorrow, actually, Friday the 13th, hey, I have a song coming out called Chasing Boys, and it's one of the ones that I received a grant from Arts KC. Thank you very much for my program, Music with a Message. So Chasing Boys out tomorrow.
I love that.
Yeah. Awesome. So where can we find your music online?
Yes, everywhere music is streamed and downloaded and purchased. You would find me by C-A-L-E-Y, Caley, Rose as in the flower. You can find it on Spotify, Apple Music, iTunes, all the places.
Now, your program is called Music with a Message. Now, tell us all about it.
Yeah, Music with a Message. I empower students by giving them confidence tools and bringing it into their schools. So I come in with empowering music. I do stuff like this. I stand with a microphone and perform all around the stage. I get them to join the show by getting them up on their feet and saying empowering positive messages for my music.
So inspiring.
Yeah.
Let's talk about the success of your song, Who's That Girl?
Yeah. Thank you. Yeah, that one, it got over 100,000 streams on Spotify right now, and it's really exciting, and it was all over the radio thanks to Kansas City, because my first radio debut was in Kansas City. I moved here a year ago, and it's been wonderful. Yeah.
Welcome to Kansas City.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Thank you.
The city already loves you.
Yeah.
I love you.
Okay, well, you're going to give us a little taste of your musical talents, and the song that you're singing today is called Stand Up, correct?
Yes,
and what is that song about?
Stand Up is another one of the songs I perform in schools, and after Stand Up, I have all the students raise their hands and talk about times when they have stood up for themselves or stood up for other people. It's beautiful, and it's brought me to tears to hear these young kids and the things they have to say about standing up.
Oh, that's awesome.
We're excited to hear it.
Thank you.
Go ahead and take it away.
Take it away.
If you could see you like I see you, you wouldn't hide your light. You wouldn't fear the fight. If you could see you like I see you, you'd stand up for your rights and not apologize. When the fight affects your life, you need to speak your mind. It's an uphill climb. Stand up, you deserve to be here. Stand up, oh, this is your year. Stand up, you deserve to be heard. Raise your voices. Stand up. If you could see you like I see you, you'd finally unite. Allies at your side. If you could see you like I see you, generations nationwide will hear your rally cry. When the fight affects your life, you need to speak your mind. It's an uphill climb. Stand up, you deserve to be here. Stand up, oh, this is your year. Stand up, you deserve to be heard. Raise your voices. Stand up. I see strength, I see truth, I see power. I see change, I see hope. We can lift each other. Strength, truth, power, change, hope. We can be the future. Stand up, you deserve to be here. Stand up, oh, this is your year. Stand up, you deserve to be heard. Raise your voices. Stand up.
Ooh, yeah, that was beautiful.
I know, a powerful message. Oh, man, thank you, Caley, for being here this morning and doing what you do.
Thank you so much.
Do you have anything upcoming that we can see you at?
I sure will book some things in Kansas City, sure. But I do have 2 school performances coming up later this month and next month at Paseo Academy and another one, Regency Place.
So if you want to see more about her program and where she's going to go next, visit our website later today. We're going to have all that information.
Yes.
So thank you for joining us.